Today we are going to be taking the fear out of making jam. Washington State has amazing berries. We are the #1 producer of blueberries and the #2 producer of raspberries, and we have an abundance of them every single year. So we want to just take all that flavor and be able to freeze it so that we can use it whenever we want. So we're going to take this blender here and we're going to put 4 cups of berries into the blender. We're going to pour the pectin in, and then we're going to put the lemon juice. We're going to just put the lid on so we don't have an explosion. There we go. Now that's about all I want. So you can see there, the texture is still has some thickness to it there. We have let this sit for 30 minutes, and so now we are going to heat it up. Again, we're not going to boil this. It's just gonna be a low simmer. We have white sugar and Karo syrup, so we're gonna add that into it. This is gonna be 4 cups of sugar and a cup of Karo syrup. And now we're just gonna stir until it dissolves, low and slow. So you don't wanna leave this be, you wanna stay here, and you're just gonna keep stirring and keep removing all those things of sugar until it is completely dissolved. Okay, we are done now. All the sugar is dissolved, and because we didn't boil and it's not super hot, we can pour it directly into our containers and toss them in the freezer. Let's do the taste test on this. Oh my gosh, you guys. That is so good. There is nothing like fresh Washington jam. You've got to make this. It's amazing.